Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a live viewing of a street on Google Map. So if for example you would like to check the view of a street from another location, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily do this on Google Map. So firstly, go to your Google Map application. So in Google Map application, okay, so I'm in the US now. So let's say I would like to view an area like that in the US. So all I just have to do is to zoom in and get the particular area. You can also search for the area from the search icon. Okay, so let's say I want to get a view of this empty sunflowers. Just click on it and you're going to see this 360 icon here. This 360 icon here. So you just have to do is to click on it. So as you can see now guys, we're having a right street view of this street on Google Map. So that's just how I can easily do this guys. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching guys.